find the area of the region x comma y such that x square is less than is equal to y is less than is equal to mod of x. Okay, so now let a is equal to x comma y is such that x square is less than is equal to y. Intersection for x comma y is such that y is less than is equal to mod of x, or we can write it a is equal to a1 intersection a2. Now region a1, region a1, let x square is equal to y represents a upward parabola with vertex x square is less than is equal to y represents shaded portion in the interior of parabola. Plotting of points x and y and x square is equal to y. Okay. Now when y is 0, x is 0. Now when x is, we can write it plus minus 1, y is 1, plus minus 2, y is 4, plus minus 3, y is 9. So with the help of these coordinates we can plot a graph. Now region A2, now y is equal to mod of x, and what modulus of x represents, you can write it y is equal to x if x is greater than is equal to 0 and negative of x when x is less than 0. So we are having two equations, one is y is equal to x and y is equal to negative of x. Now y is equal to mod x represents the shaded portion below the lines y is less than is equal to. Now region A1 is over, region A2 is over. Now required area. First of all, before going for the required area, I am forgetting for the points of intersection. Okay. Now point of intersection. x square is equal to y and plus minus x is equal to y. We get x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So, point of intersection are A, we are having B, B is 1 comma 1 and D is minus 1 comma 1. x11, x00 and we can write it and x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. Okay. So, now required area. Required area is equal to area of OAB plus area of OCD. Okay, or we can write it twice area of OAB. Now, required area is equal to 2 integration of 0 to 1 y of line dx from here, from 0 to this portion B and up to here, this one, up to this one. Okay, so up to this one, up to x axis. Now minus 0 to 1 y of parabola with dx. Okay, so we are having this line and then this one. We have to find area of this portion. So what we are going to do, first of all, from line we are finding area of this part, then below the parabola we are finding area of this part. Okay, when this area of this will be subtracted, we will be left with area of the shaded portion. Okay. So now this is equal to twice of, now y of line we are having x dx from 0 to 1 minus 0 to 1 and the parabola is y is equal to x square dx twice of x square upon 2 0 to 1 minus x cube upon 3 0 to 1. One upon 2 minus 0 minus 1 upon 3 minus 0. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 and this is equal to 1 upon 3 square units. Answer. Simple question.